As you wish, so into wind and then straight to the north.
Down 18 and I'll go for a left turn, Redhill 07. Yo.
Roger.
Okay guys, left hand coming in. Normally if I was doing normal heli routes I'd turn right, but because we're heading for Tower Bridge this time for the other dogs, I'm going to go left instead. And there's the M25 guys crossing left to right, right to left. It looks a bit heavy eastbound.
Locked up there.
Yeah. That's because of this junction, the M23, A23 sort of joining. Redhill 07, now clear to the north through crest, we can change to special 12565. I'll see you in a bit.
Redhill 07, roger, all that's pretty effect.
See you soon. Special, good afternoon, Redhill 07.
Redhill 07, good afternoon, Heathrow, squawk 7037, London QNH is 1009, I'll pass your message.
7037 1009, Redhill 07 is an R44 helicopter from Redhill to Redhill, which is North Redhill at 1,700 feet or 1009. Request to join H4 at the Isle of Dogs to Tower Bridge, return back to Redhill.
Redhill 07, that is understood, and you're cleared into the London City Control Zone, routing to the Isle of Dogs, to hold south of the southern tip of the Isle of Dogs, not above 1,300 feet VFR. And Redhill 07, continue the right turn and you're cleared to Tower Bridge, report turning back eastbound.
Continue to Tower Bridge, Wilco, Redhill 07.
Lufthansa 934, contact Tower 118075, full sun only. Only 118075, 934, bye.
Okay, guys, we keep behind this car.
Libra 190 is north of BMU, currently 1,600 feet descending.
Copy traffic, Redhill 07. Okay, so we've got the Isle of Dogs just slightly right of the nose where you've got Canary Wharf and the HSBC building. You can just see the tip of Canary Wharf flashing in the light there. City Airport and the Thames barriers on our right hand side. I'll visual that traffic now, Redhill 07.
Redhill 07, thank you.
Okay guys, and as we come around, I'm going to start following the river. We've got Tower Bridge just left at 11 o'clock, so we're going to fly it tonight. You can see the Shard now, and to the right of the Shard you've got the Gherkin, the walkie-talkie and the cheese grater, all beautifully lit up. And the Isle of Dogs looking gorgeously lit up, almost like a New York skyline there almost, with the lights down there. Okay, at this stage I normally point out Olympic Park, you can't really see it, it's just a fraction right of the nose.
Echo Flight Mike 003, we are just at the turn of collect to departure 2,400 feet. 003 Thames, hello, fly heading 100 degrees and climb now to altitude 4,000 feet. Climbing 4,000 and heading 100, Echo Mike 003.
Okay, so as we come around the right, you've got Tower Bridge, HMS Belfast, the Tower of London, the Shard, the Gherkin, the walkie-talkie and the cheese grater. So you've got all the big sites of central London coming up on the right of us. So as we get to Tower Bridge, it'll be right and left of us. So we're going to get to Tower Bridge, guys. I'm going to make a right-hand turn, head back the way we can. Redhill 07, Tower Bridge, turning back eastbound.
Redhill 07, thank you, and eastbound route not above 1,400 feet. There is inbound traffic. You'll be crossing tracks with inbound for 09.
Eastbound not above 1,400 feet, and copy the traffic, Redhill 07. Okay guys, here we go.
Ruler 003, so radar control service, turn right heading 110 degrees.
Everybody had any breakfast? There we go, going to bring it up for you. Whoa, it's a bit of G there.
Understood, and report heading to London 120.525, bye-bye.
120.525, come on, fine, so good day.
Okay guys, so now we're going to see the same on the way back from a different angle. So you can see ahead of us, you've got Canary Wharf, the HSBC building behind it, the O2 Arena behind that, and I can't see City Airport's runway at the moment, but it is behind there, and a bit of Thames Barrier.
Jersey 3 Romeo November, sending 2000 feet.
Jersey 3 Romeo November, thank you, and traffic information in your 1 o'clock range of 6 miles currently, a bit of helicopter 1,400 feet routing southbound.
Sunset Jersey 3 Romeo November.
Okay guys, so just a fraction.
Good afternoon, helicopter Woodstock 25.
Brixton left on the nose, you've got the
Woodstock 25 Heathrow.
Greenwich Park again, the Royal Observatory, the Old War Nova College, and then Cutty Sark.
Redhill 07-8, traffic for you, east by 3 miles, routing westbound, 2,800 feet ascending.
Copy traffic, Redhill, and back visual traffic, Redhill 07.
Redhill 07, thank you.
It's 12 o'clock, high. Okay, well, I'm going to get a bit of altitude.
Woodstock 25 just is starting ascent to 1,500 feet initially.
Woodstock 25, understood.
Okay, so this is Redhill over here. I'm just going to divert slightly to the right. Station pub's over here somewhere.
It's over there.
Yeah.
Just behind the station.
That's funny that. That's a good point.